The ViA is a portable audio codec that is designed for field use, and then we give you network transportation for sending that audio back to the studio.
In a single piece of hardware, you have a box that's capable of supporting SIP, ISDN, POTS, 4G, 5G. It has an inbuilt mixer. It has audio processing with 10-band EQ per input and compressors per input. It also has an inbuilt recorder and file playback. And in addition to this, it has the ability to do aggregation of IP network interfaces as well as streaming diversity. And this is all within one piece of hardware.
And the biggest new thing is the record and playback in the stream function. You can just pop in an SD card into the ViA, start recording any audio going into the ViA, but we can take pre-recorded audio from your PC or your automation system and then simply play back that same audio live inserted into the mix back to the studio. And then the other big enhancement now is our cloud codec controller. So whether that unit is 10 feet in front of you or 100 miles away, we can control that unit remotely now with cloud codec controller. That allows you to control not only the volume levels of the hardware, but it allows you to control the connection settings from the field.
There's a multitude of different options that you can do to cater for a wide range of requirements.
Implementing the ViA has made my life a lot easier. It has really just made it like an all-in-one solution, and turn it on and it goes. You recall the profile and it just works. I would recommend it to anybody just because it's been so reliable.
So that's the big benefit with the ViA is you get not just an audio codec, and that's what Tieline's known for, but you get that recording, the playback function, and then like I said, the mic processing as well, all within one little box.